Follow along. I'm going to show you how to put your guitar in open D tuning and then get it back into standard tuning when you're done. A clip-on tuner really helps. My 6th string goes down a full step from E to D. I don't do anything to my 5th and 4th strings. My 3rd string goes down a half step to F sharp from G. My 2nd string goes down to an A from a B. So A. And then my 1st string goes from an E down to a D. There we go. And then when I'm done, I want to go back to standard. My 6th string goes from a D back up to an E. 3rd string goes from an F sharp back to a G. 2nd string goes from an A back to a B. And I went too far. And then 1st string goes from a D back to an E.